So pleasant day to all of us. I'm Jessica P. Jasa, taking the course BTLED, major in Home Economics, in the subject of clothing construction. And within this video, I'll be showing you on how to draft the front and back bodies foundation patterns. So this video will be helpful especially if you are going to construct clothes. So this video will serve as your basis and on how to properly draft the front and back bodies foundation pattern. So let us now begin.
So these are the objectives. At the end of this video, you are able to identify the materials needed in drafting the pattern, recognize the importance of proper measurement of the pattern, and for the last one is demonstrate on how to draft the front and back bodies foundation pattern. So without further ado, let us now begin. So the first thing I did is to properly measure the body of the person. So I measured her shoulder, the blouse length, back figure, front figure, bust point height, bust point width, bust, waist, sleeve length, arm girth, and for the last one is the hips. So these are the materials needed in drafting the pattern. So there we have the meter stick, the ruler, French curve, measuring tape, pencil, marker, and the drafting paper. First thing we need to do is to measure the preliminary steps in drafting the pattern. So the first one is at the starting point, which is number 1. And for the second is from 1 downward is you need to measure 2 centimeter. For the third one, from 1 downward is you need to measure 10 centimeter. For the fourth one, from 1 downward, you need to measure 14 centimeter. And for the fifth one, from 2 downward, is the bust point height measurement. For the sixth one, from 1 downward is the back figure measurement. Seventh, from 2 downward is the front figure measurement. So next is the eighth one, which is middle of 2 and 7. And for the last one is you need to square to the right 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, and 7. Next is to square also to the left, which are 4, 8, and 6. Next thing to do is from 1 to the left is 3 inches. So that will be the 9B. So you need to connect 9B to the line number 2 with a French curve. So from 10B, from 1 to the left is 1/2 shoulder plus 1/2 inch. And you need to square down. From 11B, from 10B downward is 1 inches. So you need to connect 9B to 11B. In 12B, from number 4 to the left is 1/2 minus 1 inch. Next is the 13B. From 8 to the left is 1/4 bust plus 1/2 inches. So you need to connect 11B, 12B, and 13B using a French curve. 14B, from 6 to the left is 1/4 waist plus 1 inches. 1 inch. Connect 13B to 14B. And 15B, from 8 to the left is 1/2 inch bust point width. 16B, from number 6 to the left is 1/2 of bust point width, same with 15B. 17B, from 15B downward is 1/2 inch. 18B, so from 16B to the left is 1/2 inch, and 19B from 16B to the right is 1/2 inch also. So connect 17B to 18B and 17B to 19B with a straight line. 20B, get the middle point of 9B and 11B. 21B, perpendicular to the shoulder line, measure 3 inches. 22B, from 20B to the left is 1/4 inch. 23B, from 20B to the right is 1/4 inch also. Connect 22B to 21B and 23B to 21B. And back pattern is now done. Moving on to the front pattern is you must measure from line number 2, and that is 9F. For 10F, from 2 to the right, 1/2 of the shoulder measurements. For 11F, from 10F is 1.5 inches down, using a French curve. So you need to connect 9F to 11F. For 12F, from number 4 to the right is your shoulder measurement minus 2 cm. 13F, so from number 8 to the right is 1/4 bust plus 1 inch. Connect 11F, 12F, and 13F by using a French curve. 14F, from number 7 to the right is 1/4 waist plus 4 cm. 15F, from number 5 to the right is 1/2 bust point width. 17F, from 15F downward is 1/2 inch. 18F to the left is 1/2, and 19F to the right is 1/2 inch also. And at the middle is the 16F. Need to connect. F from 13F downward is 8 cm. 21F from number 6 to number 7 downward measurements. 22F middle of 20F and 21F. So the front body's pattern is already done. This is what it looks like when I already marked it.
Okay, so that is how I draft the front and back body's foundation pattern. So I hope you were able to understand my demonstration and learn a lot from this video. Like to what I've said before, that this will be helpful, especially if you are going to construct a clothing or a type of clothes. And this will also serves as your basis on how are you going to properly draft the front and back body's foundation pattern. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!